Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick unboxing to do. I picked this item up from Mercy or Mercari, however you pronounce it. It's an app kind of like eBay and Amazon, offer up, stuff like that. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is for the Pioneer Mavic AH200C navigation system. I'll see you guys there. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Just want to let you guys know that the humming in the background is actually the dual rapid charger charging a couple 8-amp-hour batteries that I used earlier today with my weed eater, my Milwaukee weed eater, quick lock weed eater to cut all the weeds in the backyard. And I just took a break, changed my clothes because my other clothes are full of grass and weeds. I figured I'll probably do the front yard later. It's supposed to rain for the next week or so, so there's no point for me to do the front. The front wasn't as bad as the back. Alright, so get this box opened. Oh, or the tape wants to not rip. There. Okay. Looks like there is a note on here. Thank you, Stacy. It actually says Stacy on it because that's who I bought this item from. From what I know, she had bought it for her to install it in her daughter's vehicle, and I found out that her daughter decided to trade her car in, and there was no point to install the aftermarket stereo. The box is empty. It was the only item in the box. It was just a bunch of wrapping. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. So this is the CD-AH200C. And I actually have both of them, and I'll show you what I mean. Here is the other one, which is the CD-AH200. These are both Pioneer items. 200 and 200C. The difference, this is the app connectivity kit. This one is the app connectivity kit for Android. So this one is the Android, and this one is not just the Android, but it's also the kit that allows for Apple. I just wanted to show you that I have both of them. I bought both of these for the other two Mavic AH200 stereo units as well. I don't have any Apple products, iPhones or anything like that, but you know, who knows, maybe I'll buy an iPod, you know, down the road for cheap or something, put some music on it, and then I'll use it just for the vehicle stereo. Okay, so this is the entire kit. So this module right here is also in this box. There is this guy right here, which is the pass-through controller with the USB connectivity. We got our HDMI female to HDMI mini male. We have our HDMI male to male extension cable, as well as we do also have our instruction booklets, which is awesome to see. And we have our USB A male to USB micro male. So it's a decent kit. I have this kit in my other two vehicles. It looks like that it might have been used for maybe a few times, or they just unwrapped it and never folded it back nicely. I usually leave all of these cables in the center console in case they are needed. I'm going to grab a zip tie, or a twist tie, I mean. This one right here. I'm not even sure if this is big enough, to be honest. Nope, this one's not big enough. I could have swore I had a large twist tie. Yeah, this one's big enough. So these are items that you can hook up to extensions that you put on attached to the stereo. And then you would just put these in your console or whatever. When you want to use them, you would take these out, plug it into the extension that is plugged into the stereo. Because I don't plug these into the back of the stereo. If I wanted to unplug them or put them away, there's no way to do that because it is, you have to take the dash apart. And these vehicles are, these older 4Runners are not easy to take the dash apart without breaking something because they're so old. But, you know, I'll get some twist ties for all of these items. But 1, 2, 3, 4 cables. The module. It looks like maybe the power connector for the module might be missing. I might have to contact her about that. Cavo HDMI cable. Oh, that's in Spanish. That's why. USB micro cable. MHL mirror link box. That's what this guy is. Yeah, definitely is missing the power cable. So I'll have to contact her and ask her if she knows where the power cable is. But, you know, that's not a big deal. I don't even need to use this module, to be honest. This module isn't needed for the mirror link. This is what's needed for the mirror link. So all the cables are here that I do need. I'll probably just send her a message and ask her, hey, do you have the power cable for the little box? But that's about it. Just a quick video, guys. It's very nice of her to send me a thank you note, and I paid her 80 bucks exactly, plus, you know, shipping, their tax. So I was very happy to give her the $80. At least I know they're all legitimate, original OEM Pioneer items. I will show, I believe I already have some videos on how these cables work. When I showed the AVIC 8200 NEX, when I installed it in the SR5. If I can find those videos, I will post them up here. If not, you guys can go search through the 2000 4Runner SR5 videos. It doesn't say SR5 on them, it's just 2000 Toyota 4Runner. All the newer videos that have to do with the limited, I will make sure that it says 2000 4Runner limited in the videos so that you guys when you do watch the videos, or people come across the channel in the future, they can separate the SR5 from the Limited. But that's all I got for you guys today. I've been waiting for this for like about a week and a half now. I'm glad to see it's here. I might still have the plug for this guy for the one I had made a while back, because I bought, the last one I bought was new or used. This is the second one I bought that was used, and it didn't have the power plug on this end of the box either. And I remember correctly, I just went and got a plug that matched this, and wired it up myself. It's just the square one should be positive, the roundish kind of old octagon side shaped one should be negative. It's not octagon, but it's octagon on one side. But that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also do have an Ulsa Tools link down on the top of the description below that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off. So when you guys use it, it does help me save a little money as well. If you use it, I appreciate it. All links are affiliate links. All links, I do get a small commission when you use them. If you do use them, I very, very much appreciate it. It helps me bring things to the channel. All of this stuff I bought with my own money. The channel did not purchase any of this. I just want to disclose that to you guys. I will let you guys know when the channel pays for items and when I pay for items. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!